Well, it is Friday after Thanksgiving here, and I got the short straw of being on call this weekend. But this is no heat Amana. Looks like she was installed in 2006, and I don't know. I guess someone was down here diagnosed a bad control board. It was her son, but let's see what we got going on. Let's see what we have going on. Not the best lighting conditions here. And sure enough, let's see. Let's get some light on it. Oh. Looks like we got a leaky collector box. Let's see what happens. And let's see. It looks like I got some power. But look, I got some water damage right there, which is on the board. Board on the truck, but let's see if that's the problem. If that's the problem, but that inducer motor doesn't sound happy. So let's see. I'm gonna go, let's see if I got, I'm gonna go here. And no voltage there. Let me just test my meter. Or 20 volts from the transformer. Oh, that's what is that? Oh, that's a noise choke up there. Let me see. Do I have voltage coming from my transformer? I do have 27 volts coming from my transformer. And we'll check the fuse. 28 volts there. 28 volts there. But I got no voltage for my terminal strip. What the heck is this mess? Let's shut it off. Someone has been monkeying, had their monkey hands in here. Let's see. Are we damaged on the backside? Yeah, we're all water damaged on the backside. Right here. All water damaged. I don't know. I don't know if that's a bad heat exchanger. No. It's a collector box gasket. Yeah. Stupid Goodman stuff. That motor. Motor does not sound happy. You can just hear it. So that inducer needs to be replaced. The gasket on the collector box and the control board. I do not. This is a variable speed control board. I do not have this on the truck. But as you can see, it's clearly water damaged. Can you guys see? So I got power, 24 volts of power going into it. I got 24 volts of power at the fuse. And I got nothing at the terminal strip. So it is a bad control board. Some of this stuff might be under warranty still. 05. Oh no. What am I thinking? This thing had... No, this thing's out of warranty. So let me get a picture of the model number. And I will have to go from there. I'm guessing that wire is for a humidifier. I pinched the wire in here. But yeah, that's collector box is leaking, the motor's sounding crappy, and we got a bad control board. Oh boy, man, a variable speed. Well, all my suppliers are closed today. Boy, oh boy, what a mess. Okay, this is just diagnosing a bad control board on a Amana furnace, variable speed. See you on the next one.